Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a front and back see-through shaker card. So I've got the card all set up on my screen, but I will quickly show you all the steps so you can do it on yours. So first thing you want to do is grab a shape, unlock it up top, put in your width and your height. Mine is based on the size of the envelopes, pre-made envelopes that I have. Let's change the color. Then we're going to need some rectangles. So put them to whatever size works best on yours. So there is one. I'm going to duplicate twice, and two of them are going to be acetate paper. I'm going to change the color of this one. Let's make it yellow. And that's going to be our insert paper that covers the cutout on the main part of the card. Next, we're going to need our animal. So we're going to go into Images. And you want the main screen that looks like this. And on the left side under highlighted categories, you want to go into Image Sets. Type in front and back. And it's the front one, top one right there. So you can see there's quite a few different ones. I will need to grab a certain one to show you something. So we'll do the cow. So we'll add that to our canvas. We're going to resize it a little bit. So just grab the bottom corner. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is the little tag in the cow's ear is on the right side on both images. That's not going to work for this type of card. So when you layer the two images, if they line up perfectly, and there's obviously a difference between the left and the right side, you need to take the front or the back and flip it horizontally. So now they're opposites. So there, now we have two ear tags when we layer them together. We're going to go back to our shapes. Let's grab a score line. Make it 7 inches. We're not attaching this just yet, but we want to get it in position. So align center. Now we're going to get a circle. And we want the circle to obviously be bigger than our cow. I'm just going to go a little bigger. And that's what we're going to cut out of our main card. So line it up left to right. And then when you highlight the card and the circle, you just align center vertically. And then we're going to slice those out. So there we go. We got 2 circles. We are going to make a darker one just a little smaller. Make sure our cow will fit in there. That looks good. So we're going to take the smaller one, put it on our insert, line it up on the left and right side, and then align center vertically. And then we're going to slice. All of our circles we're done with. We're going to duplicate the yellow card. And see, that's going to go in front and you're not going to see the cutout on the main card. At this point, you can attach your score line. So the gray piece and the yellow pieces will be paper, whatever cardstock you've chosen. And then the darker ones will be acetate paper. And remember, you need 2 of those and 2 of the yellow pieces. So I'm going to get this cut out and then we'll put it together. Here is everything cut out. Just going to move our shaker bits off to the side. First thing we're going to do is acetate paper is going to get attached to the back of our inserts. I always just use double-sided tape. I find it's the easiest, but use whatever works best for you. I've already got the other one done, so there's the two of them. That is right side up. Okay, next thing we're going to do is attach the front onto our card. So you can quickly get your fold in the card. And then we're going to use foam tape on the front. Okay, there is the foam all on there, backing taken off. So let's get this lined up. There's a little bit poking through, and that's okay, just as long as you have it fully enclosed for the middle part. So I've got these for shaker bits. Is that going to be enough? Let's add, should we add stars or gems? They're little gem stars there. And just plain stars. Let's add the gems in there. Okay, now we're going to add the backing. Okay. So just on its own, it is super cute, but we got to add our tiger. So this one you want to line up as well as you can. Here is the final reveal. I think this is adorable. Really, really like this card. So we got our shaker bits in there. We've got kind of a jungle, foresty theme for the pattern paper, our tiger in the middle. Open it up. That's when you really notice that it's a see-through card. Still see our shaker bits in there. Lots of nice sparkle to it. And then obviously whatever you wanted to write on the inside, you could do right on the cardstock or make another little insert card and get your Cricut to write it, whatever works for you. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.